Hi there. I'm Hillary Sackett-Taylor, and I'm the Honors Program Chair at Westfield State University. Are you looking for a place where your intellectual curiosity is encouraged and even rewarded? Are you looking for a learning environment that challenges you to grow personally and professionally? Then you're in the right place. The Honors Program at Westfield State University creates an environment where students can thrive, both academically, personally, and professionally, where we promote leadership and involvement in both campus community and the community beyond. Honor students in our program take courses that are more personalized, more interactive, and more experiential. They also have an opportunity to do a year-long research or creative project with a faculty mentor in their senior year. There are many benefits to being in our honors program. We offer a scholarship to help with the cost of books and other course materials. We give students priority registration, so they're the first to sign up for their classes. We offer workshops and conferences on different topics involved with professional development and academic success. We take students on field trips and offer them an opportunity to present their work at regional and national conferences. We also help to build honors community. We have a student honors association, a student club where the students can gather for more social activities. And we have a dorm where students can live together in honors community called the Honors LLC, the Learning and Living Community. Here, students can live with like-minded people, they can study together, and they can play together in an environment that really supports their success. So if that all interests you, I encourage you to go to our website and check out more of the details about our program. On that website, you'll also find the application to apply for entry into our program in the following fall. Our application involves 3 short essays where we're interested in learning more about you as a whole person. What are the things that have challenged you and how have you overcome them? What are some things that interest you? Where do your passions lie? So if you have more questions about honors, I encourage you to ask the panel in front of you. These are our student ambassadors, and they're the best representation of our honors program, and we're so proud of them. Or you can email me directly at honors@westfield.ma.edu. I hope to hear from you and maybe see you in the fall. Enjoy your visit to campus today.